Thirsting for truth. Matthew 5 verse 6 says, "Blessed are those who hunger and thirst for righteousness, for they will be filled." Today's generation longs for authenticity, trying to find their identity, trying to find and define truth. Sometimes we try to define truth by what we think, by what we feel, or sometimes by what other people think about us or people's opinion. But how can we really know the truth if we don't know the Word of God? See, the truth can be defined only when we find and study the Word of God. The Bible is the word of truth. Are you seeking fulfillment in temporary things or in the eternal truth of Christ? Sabi ni A.W. Tozer, Jesus is not one of many ways to approach God, nor he is the best of several ways. He is the only way.